So when I want to, when I'm done, I can take those channels and merge them back together. And notice here that I'm using capital I image, which is the image object from the library. So I'm using the image object dot merge, and it's taking two arguments. It looks like more than two arguments. It looks like four arguments, but it's two arguments because the first argument is a string that tells Pillow what the color model is. So if it's RGB, if I'm using a JPEG image, it's going to be RGB. If I'm using a PNG image, PNG, it's probably going to be RGBA because there's going to be that alpha channel as well. So when I do that, I'm going to give those three as the second argument. Notice the second argument is a tuple that has three items in it. And here's the interesting thing. They need to be in this order, red, green, and then blue, in order to put the image back together correctly. However, I can, when I put the image back together, swap these positions. Like if I trade red and green, then I'm going to get a green strawberry with red leaves, if you can imagine it. So you can have interesting impacts on the image by swapping the color channels as well.